We're about a year or so into our storytelling program, and we're starting to see tremendous results. And our pipeline is exactly triple what it was, largely due to the improved conversation with clients since we started the program.
Ideaca is Microsoft's largest partner in Canada.
We were all a little hesitant around storytelling. We didn't know if it would be effective.
I think it's paid off, and it's spreading to our other offices across the country.
And we also educated ourselves in knowing and actually caring about what we were selling.
One of the ways that we're institutionalizing storytelling in the company is we're trying to do it quarterly, but we're having a story power hour, and we get anyone in sales, marketing, delivery on the phone for an hour and a half, and we tell 3 stories. Then we use those stories in sales and marketing, and we make them more relevant to improve our sales conversations and makes us smarter and better in front of our clients.
So what are the results?
Our conversations are higher quality, our advances in the sales cycle are higher quality, and our pipeline is exactly triple what it was, largely due to the improved conversation with clients since we started the program.
Wow. What more can you say?
What more can you say?